Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enroll on Zelle on TD Bank. So let's get started. So to do that, you have to follow this easy step. So first here you have to go and then you have to go to Zelle here. Then you have to go to the Zelle's website. And from here you have to click on these three dots, click on this get started, and from here you have to log in. And then if you're in your area, if the partnership available with your TD bank, then you can apply there and you can sign up with your your Zelle account. So this is how to enroll to Zelle on TD bank. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for your watching.